Today, we're making one of Italy's most iconic dishes, the legendary Pizza Margherita, named after Queen Margherita herself. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description, translated into 14 languages. Welcome to Silent Bites. Let's get started. First, add 250 grams of flour to a mixing bowl. Sprinkle in 1.5 grams of dry yeast and stir it in gently. As you mix, add 4 grams of salt. And of course, no pizza dough is complete without 6 grams of olive oil. Now it's time to bring this dough to life. Pour in 150 milliliters of water and knead until the dough is smooth and elastic. Lightly oil the bowl so the dough won't stick. Cover it and let it rest in the fridge for at least 18 hours. That long fermentation gives the dough its incredible flavor. Once it's rested, divide the dough into portions. Fold each piece from the outside in, shape it into a ball. Brush with a little oil and let it rise again on the tray for 30 minutes. While the dough is rising, let's make the sauce. In 3 grams of olive oil, saute 2 grated garlic cloves for extra flavor. Add 200 grams of grated tomatoes. Season with salt, oregano, and fresh basil. And after about 10 minutes, the sauce is ready. When shaping the dough, here's the golden rule. Always press from the center outward and never touch the edges. That's how you keep those airy, puffy crusts. Spread the sauce evenly over the base. Brush the crust with a little oil to keep it from cracking. And slide it into a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, take it out, add your Parmesan, and bake for just another minute and a half. And there it is, a beautiful, authentic pizza margherita. Enjoy every bite. This is my very first recipe video with voiceover, so I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button.